guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be the second part of the Bristol vlog. I did not film the introduction, that's why I'm doing it now.
And it goes a little something like
God, this place also has seal and penguin coast. Oh my god.
फेमस हो जाएगा।
क्या कैसे चलते हैं ये लोग, बताओ
नहीं
बताओ ना।
ऐसे
कैसे कैसे आपको क्या लगता है ये फेक है? फेक पेंगुइन?
हाँ मुझे लग रहा है ये फैक्ट्री में बनाए हुए हैं, ओरिजिनल नहीं है। यस,
उल्लासनगर के पेंगुइन।
देखिए उसके अंदर बैठा है।
Kurila Island. This video is going to be a really long video, तो ये मैं दो parts में डालूँगी. So mostly the first part would be the zoo because I have shot like a lot of content for the zoo, and we are in the extended family. Live in trees. Disappointing kangaroos.
और देखना है
कितना देख डिप्रेशन में बेचारा,
दिखा भाई कहाँ है
डिप्रेस्ड है एकदम।
स्टील क्यों बड़ा है
रोबोट ओवर। तो अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस नहीं जा रहे हैं, अब हम जा रहे हैं
क्लिफ्टन सस्पेंशन ब्रिज।
यस, एंड कि मजा आया ना यहाँ पे?
बहुत मजा आया, बहुत
मजा आया। जितना एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था उससे ज्यादा मजा आया।
यस यस।
चलो now we'll go. So came by the bus and now we are going. We're gonna walk a little bit to the bridge and way too tired guys. सुबह से निकले हुए हैं, मैं थोड़ी सी tired हो गई हूँ and my shoulders are paining for some reason. Also I'm carrying a backpack so it's a little tiring. The thing is that यहाँ पे winter में 5:30 को sunset हो जाता है, so it's already getting a little bit of dark, but that's all right. So we are going to try to cover the bridge at least because that's the most famous place over here. Such a pretty tree. So this is the Clifton Suspension Bridge. Let's see the view from here. So there's apparently some river flowing down. Really excited to see the view. I'll show you guys in a minute.
Hi everyone, and I'm in the Shreya's vlog, and this is our Neta, so-called Abhishek.
So are you enjoying Bristol?
Yeah, a lot.
Roshan, so after this we are going to go to the harbour. That's our probably the last destination. To go to eat something and it's already 4 o'clock. So 5:30 ऐसे भी अंधेरा हो जाता है यहाँ पे. Construction began in 1837. So we came a little up and the view from here is so nice. Bridge पे lights भी लगी हैं तो इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. So now we are going back. Where are we going?
Now we are heading towards an Indian restaurant
Yes.
to eat some delicious Indian recipes.
Food, yeah, we are really hungry. But we are not going to Indian restaurant. Where are we going, Abhishek? Now? Harbour. But are we not gonna eat something?
खा लेना
रास्ते में खा लेना. पाँच बज रहे हैं बताओ, और पूरा अंधेरा हो चुका है एंड थोड़े टाइम में तो फुल जेट ब्लैक अंधेरा हो जाएगा. सो देयर इज अ कैथेड्रल चर्च हियर, यू कैन लिसन टू द बेल. अभी जस्ट बेल बंद हो गई बाय द वे. एंड अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कहीं तो. Compared to Exeter, this is a better city. Exeter, as you guys know already, like a lot of people were commenting on my videos also that Exeter is not main hub of UK. Exeter is a little countryside, a very small city. Although the university is really nice, I have been saying people the university is really good, but the city is not that good. Like I've come from Mumbai, and Mumbai में तो you see a lot of people, a lot of crowd and stuff, and here it's not that crowded. You'll not see a lot of people on the streets in Exeter. Bristol wheel, क्या लगता है, बैठना चाहिए हमें?
It's too
Yes.
small, so I don't think so.
This is
But we
small.
can try. Yeah, this is small.
This is not small.
If you will compare this with the London Eye, it is small.
Oh, I've not been to London. I'm scared little bit. But मुझे करना है try. I want to try. I want to overcome all of my fears. So let's see. Let's go. We have taken the ticket, but I'm scared now. Let's see. Against the gravity.
Pure jeep.
It's not much visible because of the light, and as you guys know, I vlog through my phone, so it's not really possible to show you guys everything. We had a little snack sabhi, and now we are going to do some shopping. 6:30 and we have our bus at 11:30 something, so we have like 4 hours. So let's see what we do next. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you loved the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.